Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic products, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, making them perfect for home use, parties, or even camping. But which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features and find out. Let's start with the price. The Free Village model is priced at $99.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the COWSAR model, which retails for $109.99. If you're looking for a more economical choice, the Free Village is the way to go. Next, let's discuss efficiency. The Free Village model consumes 132 watts, while the COWSAR model is more energy efficient at just 88 watts. This means that if you're concerned about energy consumption, the COWSAR model is the better choice. Finally, let's compare the noise levels. The Free Village operates at under 45 decibels, while the COWSAR model is even quieter at under 40 decibels. If noise is a concern for you, the COWSAR model is the clear winner here. In conclusion, both the Free Village and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths. The Free Village is more affordable and produces more ice per cycle, while the COWSAR excels in energy efficiency and quieter operation. Depending on your priorities, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.